A court has framed charges against BJP MP Brij Bhushan. Court has charged Brij Bhushan with sexual harassment. That's the big breaking news now coming in at the moment. The Delhi court has said that there is sufficient material on record against the BJP MP. Well, remember the BJP MP has been charged in the sexual assault case by 5 women wrestlers, and now the court has framed charges against the BJP MP. That is the big breaking news now coming in at the moment. We'll try and get more details about that in just a bit. My colleague Mukesh is now joining us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Mukesh, this is big news now coming in. We are learning now the Delhi court has framed charges against BJP MP Brij Bhushan Singh, and the court has said there is sufficient material on record against the BJP MP.
देखिए, बिल्कुल दिल्ली की राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट से बीजेपी के एमपी और गोंडा से सांसद ब्रज भूषण शरण सिंह को बहुत बड़ा झटका लगा है। कोर्ट ने उनके खिलाफ जो आरोप है वो तय करने का आदेश दे दिया है, यानी कि चार्जेस फ्रेम करने का आदेश दे दिया है, और उन पर जो सेक्सुअल हरेसमेंट के एलिगेशन है उसके तहत ये आरोप तय किए गए हैं। उनके साथ में जो उनके सेक्रेटरी हैं विनोद तोमर, उनके खिलाफ भी आरोप तय हो गए हैं। कोर्ट ने जो आदेश दिया उसके मुताबिक आईपीसी 354, 354 ए और 506 यानी कि आपराधिक धमकी देना, उसके तहत ये आरोप तय किए गए हैं। और साथ में जो विनोद तोमर हैं उनके खिलाफ आईपीसी 506 एक के तहत जो है आरोप तय किए गए हैं। तो जो दिल्ली पुलिस है उसने 15 जून 2023 को ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह और जो विनोद तोमर हैं दोनों के खिलाफ कोर्ट में चार्जशीट दायर की थी, जिस पर कोर्ट ने चार्जशीट पर कॉग्निजेंस लिया था, और अब कोर्ट ने दोनों ही आरोपियों पर चार्जेस फ्रेम कर दिए हैं। खास बात यह है कि आदेश तब आया है जब लोकसभा चुनाव चल रहा है और बीजेपी ने ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह की बजाय उनके बेटे को टिकट दिया है चुनाव में। तो इसी बीच ये कोर्ट का जो आदेश है वो काफी अहम है, और निश्चित तौर पर ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह को इस मामले में काफी तगड़ा झटका लगा है, क्योंकि उन पर अब जो ट्रायल है वो शुरू हो जाएगा। चार्जेस फ्रेम हो गए हैं और अब जो ट्रायल है वो शुरू कर दिया जाएगा।
ओके, क्या जी ट्रायल अब शुरू हो जाएगा ये आप बता रहे हैं। क्या मायने हैं जिस तरह से ये सेटबैक आया है ब्रिज भूषण के अगेंस्ट? कोर्ट ने चार्ज किया है ब्रिज भूषण को सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट से। दिस मैटर हैज बीन गोइंग ऑन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ। वी डू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वुमेन रेसलर्स आल्सो सैट एट जंतर मंतर एंड दे सैट ऑन अ धरना प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट द बीजेपी एमपी। हाउएवर वी डू अंडरस्टैंड मुकेश, काफी समय लगा है इस केस को। जिस तरह से हमने देखा रेसलर्स ने धरना भी दिया था और किस तरह से प्रोटेस्ट इस मामले में हमने देखे हैं, फाइनली अब कोर्ट ने यह माना है कि सफिशिएंट मटेरियल है उनके पास ऑन रिकॉर्ड और ब्रिजभूषण के अगेंस्ट एक्शन लिया जाए। दिस ऑफ कोर्स कम्स एज अ बिग रिलीफ टू दोज वुमेन रेसलर्स हु हैड फाइल्ड दोज चार्जेस अगेंस्ट द बीजेपी एमपी।
देखिए, बिल्कुल सबसे बड़ी बात यह कि कोर्ट ने ये माना है कि जो केस चलाने के लिए, चार्जेस फ्रेम करने के लिए इसमें पर्याप्त यानी कि सफिशिएंट एविडेंस है, और उसके बेसिस पर कोर्ट ने ये चार्जेस फ्रेम किए हैं। खास बात यह है कि जो महिला पहलवान है वो लगातार लंबे समय से इस पूरे मामले को लेकर स्ट्रगल कर रही थी। 6 से 7 महिला पहलवानों ने सेक्सुअल हरेसमेंट की शिकायत की थी, जिसमें कई महिला पहलवान ओलंपिक पदक विजेता थी, और उन्होंने जंतर मंतर पर लंबा प्रोटेस्ट किया था। पुलिस ने केस दर्ज किया था। इसके बाद महिला पहलवानों के स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किए गए थे, उनकी मेडिकल जांच की गई थी, और साथ में जो जहां जहां पर ये घटनाएं हुई थी वहां के मोबाइल की लोकेशन, मोबाइल के कॉल रिकॉर्ड, जो उनकी महिला पहलवानों की चैट्स थी या जो ब्रजभूषण की चैट्स हैं, वो सारे मैसेज पुलिस ने रिट्रीव कराए थे, और उसके बेसिस पर पुलिस ने चार्जशीट फाइल की थी। इस चार्जशीट में पुलिस ने कुछ फोटो भी लगाई थी। तो उसके बेसिस पर कोर्ट ने माना कि जो ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह है उनके खिलाफ चार्जेस फ्रेम करने के सफिशिएंट एविडेंस हैं, और उसके बेसिस पर कोर्ट ने चार्जेस फ्रेम कर दिए हैं।
Right, absolutely. Well, the Delhi police, we do understand, had filed this charge sheet against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and Vinod Tomar on June 15 last year, and after which now this is a big setback for the BJP MP. The court has charged Brij Bhushan with sexual harassment. So far, he's been managing to avoid the charges. Has been so far in the public has been saying that there is nothing wrong that he's done. But now finally, he's in the dock. The court has framed charges against the BJP MP. My colleague Tanishq also joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Tanishq, a big setback for the BJP MP. The court has said there is sufficient evidence on record that is, well, against the BJP MP, Brij Bhushan, and has charged him with sexual harassment.
Yes, of course, a very big breaking development coming right now. The former president of Wrestling Federation of India, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, will now be charged with sexual harassment. As the Delhi court on Friday has ordered framing of charges against him. So the Delhi court has said that there is enough material to frame the charges against him. He has not been pronounced guilty as of now, but the court has said there is enough evidence so that the charges can be put against him. We of course know there was a lot of it was a lot of political war of words between the BJP and the opposition regarding Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. When last year he was accused by athletes, Olympians, Sakshi Malik, Vinesh Phogat, all of them of sexual harassment, and were sitting of course on a dharna. So now of course a very big development. Now this of course is very important if we look at it from the perspective of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, because one of the main points of the opposition parties is that the BJP is giving ticket to an MP who has been accused of sexual harassment, but then finally his son got the ticket. So again, this will again be a big political war of words will come up. The Congress will definitely hit out at the BJP for giving now the charges are framed against him. Now the investigation will happen. Now the charges are framed against him. Then now of course the opposition will hit out, saying that his son has been given ticket. Sexual harassment accused son has been given ticket. Remember, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh is an MP, member of parliament from Kaisarganj seat. There were a lot of speculations whether or not he will be given ticket. His name, if the UP list is to be seen, his name came out in the last, along with Rai Bareli.
Yes.
His name came out in the last. So of course there were a lot of deliberations within the BJP whether or not to give ticket to Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Finally, his son was given the ticket. And of course after he was given the ticket, opposition did it out, and now of course it will be a big political flashpoint. Now that the court has ordered that the charges should be framed against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, and has said that there is enough material to frame charges.
Okay, this is a very big development now that has taken place. The court in Delhi has now pronounced its order, saying that charges will be framed against former wrestling body chief Brij Bhushan and BJP MP in the sexual harassment case. Remember, a number of women wrestlers had come out, even sat on dharna at Jantar Mantar against the BJP MP, accusing him of sexual harassment. However, this has been a long way for justice. This is the first step, of course, in that path. We do understand this definitely comes as a big relief for those women wrestlers who've been sitting on dharna, protesting against the BJP MP and had been asking for justice. But now we do understand the court has said there is sufficient material on record. There is sufficient proof to charge the BJP MP. And as my colleague Tanishq also has been pointing out here, the BJP, remember, had refused to give Brij Bhushan ticket from Kaisarganj. Instead, his son has been fielded. Of course, there is going to be back and forth over that also with the opposition. We do understand, expected to raise questions on that. But however, at the moment, this is a big development that has taken place. Now, Tanishq, help us also understand how this case has moved or progressed in the last few months. It's been a long battle for those women wrestlers who've been who've been protesting and have accused the BJP MP of sexual harassment. There were WFI polls also that took place in between, and then they were quashed, and lot of movement that happened in between, lot of action that happened in between. Help us understand how this case has progressed over the last few months.
Yes, of course. I'll tell you what happened. Some time back, of course, Brij Bhushan, there were, of course, elections pending of the World Wrestling of the Wrestling Federation of India. Again, the elections were held and a new wrestling federation chief was chosen. But again, there were objections against him because he was accused that he is a close aide of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh himself. Remember, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh holds a lot of influence in these parts, especially in Kaisarganj and Gonda. He has a lot of influence. He has a lot of muscle power in these parts of Uttar Pradesh. So it was said that it is Brij Bhushan Sharan, the one who has been chosen, is the close aide of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Then, of course, the committee was also, the federation was suspended, and then they wrote to Olympic Federation also. But now the federation is continuing as usual. But of course, a long legal battle since since almost a year when this started. It has been a long legal battle. But now again, it is just the framing of the charges that has been done. The investigation remains. There will be, of course, Delhi Police has conducted an investigation. The trial, of course, remains. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh will defend himself in the trial. But Delhi court has said that there is enough material on record to frame him. Now, sometime back, of course, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh also said that the investigation against him should be stopped. He also filed a petition in the court, but that was there also he suffered a setback. But now a very important development that the Delhi court has said, that the charges will be framed against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh.